Thank you so much.
No problemo.
What kind is this? What brand is this elevator? The sound like crank?
I don't know, but I think it's from the very beginning. I think it's like 80 years old. More than that, I think. Never changed.
Thank you so very much.
No problem.
Now, as you let me off, I just go and open up.
Yeah.
Just want to take a quick picture of the elevator cab and show the controls. Sorry. Beautiful old historic freight elevator. Oh, it's a Staley. Oh, this is my first Staley elevator I've ever written. Awesome. This is a Staley. Awesome, y'all. My very first Staley. Holy joy.
Don't leave me.
All right, Ann, that's it.